everyone. Oh no. Get the camera up. Hello everyone, and this is Savvy, and I'm here. Put the camera down. Perfect. Okay, yeah. This is Savvy here, and I am here to show you the blind bags. Okay, so here's one right here. It's these blind bags. I don't know which series it is. Maybe it shows it on the bag or something. Not anywhere that I know, actually. Is Hasbro in, like, China? Because, like, the actual place in, like, China or something. Because, like, almost everything in Florida was made in China. And every Little Pet Shop blind bag or anything I've gotten from Little Pet Shop, like boxes and stuff like that, have said something made in China. Those 3 words. When I opened it, it literally like went everywhere. I got this teddy bear. Okay. This teddy bear I never wanted. So whatever, I guess. This one's going up for trade, actually. Yeah. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I hope it doesn't fly. Like, woo! Like, look at it. Yeah! Should I just pop it? Oh, there's no air in it. There's no air in it. I thought I felt one that was like fat. What? I already have this one. So I guess this one's going up for trade. See, look, let me get it. And I found it. It's right here. I have 2 of them. Well, they're both fine. Actually, the other one that I got, this one, the first one is going for trade because this one's like brand new. It's all like perfect. You know what? This one, the new one, is going to go for trade because I got this one for my dad, and I'm just gonna keep it to remember it. So these, no, this, you know what? I changed my mind. None of these are for trade. I mean, seriously. I already have enough that are on trade. Oh, already 3 are taken from the trade. Oh yeah, and this chipmunk isn't up for trade anymore because I put blue stamp stuff on him, and it's very hard to get off now, so yeah. Unless you want him blue. Or, yeah, I guess. It's not enough air. Pop it. One more after this one. I got the monkey! We got the monkey! I really wanted the monkey. The monkey. I really want this deer. Let me open the little thing. I really want the deer. Right there. This is the last one, so I hope it's either maybe the deer. I hope it's maybe the deer, the swan, right up here. The swan, the polar bear, or this cute little bunny. Little yellow bunny. So, last one. My luckiness. Oh, please be. Okay, I'm not gonna look. I am seriously super scared, actually. I can't open it. I do not use scissors. I use my hands because I know I'm strong enough. I got the deer! I got the deer! I got the deer! Look, look, look! Oh, my dog! Oh, my dog! It's way bigger than I imagined. Ah! I got the deer. Wow, lots of new friends coming in town. But twins, I guess. Ow. Hello. Am I on YouTube or something? Am I? Yes, YouTube. Oh, I look so fabulous, don't I? I look brand new and everything. Same as me, dude. Give me a grape. My little flappy tail gives me the great power. Oh, dudettes, that did not work. Totally didn't work. Yeah, let me try that again, actually. Ew. Just nasty. That reminds me of my sister Coco when OPS freaking funny stuff when Sam. Who the tail is Sam? Well, I'm gonna call him. Sam, come here. Come on. Sam, this is Sam. Hi, Sam. Whoa. I think she fainted. It's okay. That's fine. What the freak? Dude, just. Bye, guys, gotta go. Come on, Savvy. Honey. Wait, what? 2 honeys? No. This can't be true, can it? This is the old one because there's a mark on her. But you can't see it. I could see it in the sunlight, though. Which one is the real one? Me? No, she's lying. It's me. Ow. Please, just give a test. Which kind of police am I? Canine. Right. Psh. Let's go, honey. Guess that's over with. So. What's your name? Well, my name is, I don't know. So your name is I don't know? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Just shut up. And let me just tell you. I have no idea what my name is. Hi, duties. Don't you dare steal from me. Or my little back legs will kill you. When you go like, whoppa, 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 whoppa. Bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, everybody. Smiley face. Whoppa!